Welcome to More Time in the Kitchen. It's Sammy the Christmas Elf, here to show you how to make some yummy Christmas smells like Christmas. And then now to help me decorate, it's our special guest. Santa Claus. Hello. Hello, children. Start again.
Go.
And now to help me decorate, it's our special guest.
Hello.
It's Santa Claus. So first of all, Santa, thanks so much for being here. It must be a really busy time of year for you.
Yeah, Rudolph has run his tail off.
Santa, we might have a few little boys and girls watching, so I'd maybe just watch the language.
They've heard worse in the playground.
Well, YouTube doesn't like swearing anymore, so we better tone it down. Not that I'm monetising.
Real beard.
Luxurious. Other than that, bits of it keep falling off.
Made from old reindeer silk.
So, Santa, have you decorated many biscuits?
No! That's what Mrs. Claus does.
Oh, well.
I wouldn't want to steal Mrs. Claus's thunder.
No. Well, I bet you've eaten a few in your time, eh?
Fat jokes already, eh?
Oh, no, it's just,
Piss off, you elf. Anyhow. What is my favourite thing about Christmas?
I don't know.
What's your favourite thing about Christmas? Elf?
Food.
Food. I like the food. I like having all these kids on my lap. It's not in the video, is it?
No.
No. What is my favourite?
You can say something funny, but not. Don't say anything about paedophilia.
Okay.
You better watch out.
You better watch out. You better watch out.
I like that one.
Santa Claus
I like Santa Claus is coming to town because it's all about me.
So Santa, do you have a favourite Christmas song?
Yes.
Yeah?
What's the one with that drunk Irish guy?
Fairy Tale of New York.
I'm the drunk guy.
It was Christmas Eve in the drunk time.
Do you know why it sounds so muffled?
Why?
It's my beard! Come on, you
You're not holding it like I said.
I know, but try having a fat belly and doing it like that.
I do have a fat belly.
No, you don't. It's an elf bulge.
Elf bulge. That sounds like something only male elves have.
Yeah. You don't want to go see Santa.
Are we both in the middle?
No.
We need to squish this a little bit. Right. This is going to be so much more difficult not to laugh.
Get on with it! Get on with it, ain't all day.
Okay.
Oh. That was so funny, elf.
Oh, Jesus.
Professional.
Get the giggles out.
I can see your breath.
It's not. That's the beard.
Oh, yes,
What's the actual sweetener if you don't know his name? It's not the, no, it's not the tart, it's... It's fine. Oh, well you can hit the subscribe button and you can press the notification bell as well if you want to be notified when I upload a new video. That wasn't funny!
No, I just had an idea to it's like I shall tell things to walk away.
We both keep patting our bellies to like adjust our bellies.
That second baby.
You do look like you've eaten at least one baby. Tigers.
And the puppy.
Think we're good?
Yeah,
Good. Santa, can I ask, why is it you go down the chimney?
Because I'm never allowed in the back door.